in that question, it's asking us what equation out of those four choices shows that parabola, or gives us that parabola. So to do that, on the graphing calculator, we plug in all of those equations. So for example, answer choice A is negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. So we put that in the first choice. Answer choice B is negative x squared. So we type in negative x squared minus 2x plus 3. And then we type in answer choice C, or the third one, which is x squared plus 2x plus 3. Then we type in the fourth one, which is x squared minus 2x plus 3. Then we hit graph. We wait for all of the equations to graph, and then we pick the one that looks the closest to the one shown in the problem. Okay. As you can see, the problem shows the parabola in the problem opens down, so we can already take out the black one and the pink one. And now the red one and the blue one looks closer to the one in the problem, because like the one in the problem is in the first quadrant, not in the second quadrant. So we take the blue one. So we press y equals again, and then we look at the equation of the blue one, which is negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. That's our answer. So we look at the answer choice that matches that one, which is A. And the answer is A.